为你冒哦。
In a quiet, lush forest, Benny the rabbit loved to explore. One sunny morning, he decided to visit the far end of the forest. As Benny hopped along, he heard a rustling in the bushes. Rustle, rustle. Out popped Sammy the squirrel, eager to join the adventure. The two friends walked together, enjoying the sights and sounds of the forest. Overhead, they heard a loud caw. Caw. Kala the crow swooped down and landed beside them, joining their group with a happy caw. Continuing their journey, they reached a clear stream. Benny's ears twitched as he heard a soft ribbit. Ribbit! From the water. Freddy the frog sat on a lily pad, and with a joyful hop, he joined the group. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they heard a deep roar. The friends paused, momentarily frightened. They soon discovered Leo the lion lounging in the shade of a big tree. With a warm smile, Leo joined the merry band. With Leo leading the way, the friends felt braver than ever. They continued their journey, moving closer to the far end of the forest. The path was filled with excitement and new discoveries at every turn. Finally, they reached a beautiful meadow filled with colorful flowers and buzzing bees. Buzz, buzz. The sight was breathtaking, a perfect reward for their adventurous spirits. Benny, Sammy, Carla, Freddy, and Leo celebrated their journey in the meadow. They played, laughed, and enjoyed the beauty of the forest and the joy of their friendship. The meadow was a place of wonder and happiness, a symbol of their adventurous day. As the sun began to set, the friends knew they would always cherish this special day. They returned home, their hearts filled with joy and their bonds stronger than ever. Moral: true friendship and teamwork make any adventure possible and more enjoyable.